Well, alrighty. It looks like it is 6 o'clock, so let's get started with our 2020 Panini Obsidian Football Random Player One Box Break number 5. Just like with all of our random breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got BL Witt 63 in the top spot. And Bill Salyer 0 in the bottom spot. Let's see if Mike, wrong list. There we go. Well, shoot. Darn it, my cut and paste did not work. Let's see if I can get it to work this time. We're one break in and the wheels are already off the car. There we go. Alrighty. So I know there's a few folks in this break that are breaking with us for the first time. So if you are watching with us on the live feed and happen to have any questions, please put those in the chat and I will be happy to answer those as quickly as I can. But for now, I'm just going to cut and paste our list over to the right. I'm going to sort it by everyone's eBay IDs, and then we're going to scroll through our list so everybody can see who they have before we open our box. I'll spread this out a little bit. There we go. Well, I understand, Kenneth. I live in a somewhat windy area. That's referred to as a light breeze. It's not really windy till you get like 40-ish. Then it's windy. Yeah, no, believe me, I understand. I live in an area that has very drastically different weather from day to day. I saw horizontal rain yesterday, or not yesterday, but Thursday. Rain was literally moving horizontally. We had 60, 70 mile per hour straight line winds. Pretty unpleasant during the afternoon. Not a fun thing to contend with. Hey Brian, I'm assuming it's going to be sold out by then, so I'll put it on the schedule. I think there's only like 16 left or 17 or something like that. Certainly we can sell that many in a week. If I can't, I should probably retire as a part-time breaker. I'm doing fantastic, Brian. How are you doing? Now that's some wind right there, Kenneth. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one myself. I haven't opened that in a while. We did quite a few of them back in the day. I feel like I've opened that box 7 or 8 times through various, I think mostly through pick your player breaks, but I feel like I've opened that one more than once. Are y'all getting a little rough weather down there, Brian? Yeah, this would have been back in 19 probably. Well, it came out in January of 19, but probably throughout that year. As before they got real expensive too. It was a lot more affordable. Of course, that can be said for uh, any product nowadays. So, but you all know what I mean. Well, that's good. Glad it's just a little rain. Nothing more severe than that. You know, I tried that, Brian, early last year, and I really liked the idea of it. But I tried it. You know, I probably tried it like last February, last March, and honestly, I didn't have as many people breaking with me then as I do now, and it didn't work well. But it wasn't going to just because I didn't have enough people breaking with me every week. Honestly, I just didn't have the people for it. But I like the idea. Um, I really like the idea of it with certain products, and I've thought about it. And it's funny you bring that up. There's a breaker that I watch, and I know you know who I'm talking about, Brian, who who does a lot of pack stuff, and I think he's fantastic. I watch him every day while I'm working. Uh, but I like that concept. I think it's wonderful. Um, but I've tinkered around in my mind about doing, you know, you take a box of something and you do random packs wherever, you know, you obviously get all the cards in the pack. But I definitely thought about that. Well, alrighty. Now that we have went through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. There is our pack. All right. First card is Matt Ryan. No serial number, so this is a base. Then our next card is a jumbo Saquon Barkley jersey. And that is serial numbered, if I can get the serial number angled right, 56 of 60. Took me a while to get the card pointed in the right direction. Oh, that's awesome. How about that? Glad that the Ryan went to a Falcons fan. Hey, Jesse. And our next card, I just put the Ryan over it because I wanted to cover up the little thingamabob there. So we have 400 reward points. So we'll re-random our original list after the break and determine who gets the points. Okay, I'll move our Ryan back now. And then our next card is, oh, how about that? A Lawyer Malloy autograph. Oh, fantastic, Jesse. Congrats on that. Lawyer Malloy Aurora autograph, and that is serial numbered 14 of 25. Yeah, I'm always paranoid about that, Kenneth, so I try to put normally when I pick the card up, I'll put my thumb over the QR code there. I just don't want somebody trying to pick that up off the screen. Alrighty. And our next card is a dual patch autograph of Laviska Shenault Jr. And that is serial numbered 38 of 50. Would have been nice if they could have put the serial number there where it was a little more readable. Then our next card is a Patrick Mahomes. And that is serial numbered 95 of 100. And then our last card in the box is Darius Leonard. Darius Leonard. And that is serial numbered 21 of 25. Trying to see if I could pick up the color on it, but honestly I can't. All right, so those are all the cards in our box. And before we proceed to go through our list and see who got which cards, give me just a minute. I'm going to set up the random for our 400 points. You know, Brian, I think the one thing that I always came back to with that idea of doing the random pack is it is because there are other people out there that do similar things, and because they buy direct, it's hard to do. It would be hard for me to do that and be priced competitively, and that's the reason that I did not do it a lot in the past, or even think about doing it. I did it once with something pretty small, but even then, even if I did it today, I don't know how well it'd work because I don't have wholesale accounts. I don't buy direct. So I could do it and I could offer it, but I just don't think it would be good value is my thinking on that. Not that I'm opposed to the idea. I love the concept. I absolutely love it. I enjoy watching it. I think it's great. If I was in a different situation, I would definitely do it, but I just don't think from that standpoint it would make sense. Alright, here's our original list. Again, I'm going to randomize it 5 times, and whoever's on the top after the 5th randomization will get the 400 Panini reward points. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and 5. And it goes to, let me see, make sure we did 5 times. Yep, 5 times. And it goes to 68 Fasty. Congrats on that. So now that we've got that taken care of, let's go through our list and see who got the other cards. So we'll do our base cards first. First is our Darius Leonard parallel, serial numbered to 25. And that goes to a high 6308. Congrats on that. And then next is our Patty Mahomes parallel, serial numbered 95 of 100. And that goes to a high 6308 as well, doubling up. Congrats on that. And then lastly, our Matt Ryan base card, goes to Lil Mad 88. Congrats on that. Fantastic. So next is our Saquon Barkley Eclipse Jumbo Jersey card, serial number to 60. And that goes to GE663300. Congrats on that, Jesse. And then next is our Lawyer Malloy Aurora autograph, serial number to 25. And that goes to Ryan Taggett, 0. Congrats on that. And then lastly is our Laviska Shenault Jr. Dual Patch RPA, serial number to 50. And that goes to B.O. Witt, 63. Congratulations on that. Congrats on that. All right. Well, all righty. That concludes our 2020 Panini Obsidian Football Random Player One Box Break number 5. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, I appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live feed for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 9 minutes with our 2020 Topps Museum Collection Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody.